Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we will check how to create a 2D arrays dynamically. So we need to input 2D array elements and we need to find out the sum of the matrix. Okay, so how we can do that? First we need to input how many rows needed, how many columns are needed for our matrix, right? So first we can use one printf, enter number of rows, then slash n. Then we need to scanf percentage d. Here we can declare one variable int rows equal to 0. Then scanf this data. This is the rows, right? Next we can tell enter number of columns. Then we need to input the row columns also. So here number variable columns, right? Now we can initialize one 2D array. So int, you can tell just numbers, rows, and columns. So we declared one 2D array, right? Then we need to use nested loop. We need to get the rows and columns values, right? So we can use nested loop, and inside that loop we can scanf the data. So here we can use int I equal to 0, I less than, this is the rows, right? I less than rows, then I plus plus. Next we need to use another for loop, that is for columns, right? So j is equal to 0, j less than columns, then j plus plus. Then we need to scan the data. So we can scan of integer type. So we can use percentage d, comma. We need to input to this array, right? So we can type it and numbers of I and j. So in this loop, through this loop, we are inputting all our matrix elements, right? Next, we can use one printf and display that matrix elements. Okay. So here also we can use the same loop. We can copy and paste here. Instead of this scanf, we can use printf. Percentage d slash t, right? Here we can tell numbers of ij. And after the first loop, we need to print a new line, right? So here we can do printf slash, right? Now we need to calculate the sum also, right? So here we can declare one more variable, sum equal to sum. So sum means it will iterate all elements, then only we will get the sum, right? So here we can tell in this loop we need to sum also. After printf we can tell sum, anywhere we can tell sum plus equal to this numbers of I and j, right? So after this, here we need to put one new line also. And here also we need to print that print of sum equal to, we can tell percentage d, so variable sum, correct? Now we can just try, we can run this. So expected something 29. Okay, semicolon is missing. Can run again. Enter number of rows 2. Enter number of columns 3. So we are just using 2 by 3 matrix. So we can tell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 by 3 matrix means it is 6 element, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And sum equal to 21. That's correct, right? 6, 12, 17, 21. Yes. So our code is correct. We can run once more. Can check with one 3 by 3 matrix also. Number of rows 3, number of columns 3, elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 by 3 means 9 elements, right? 7, 8, 9. So now we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this total is 45, right? So in this case, we can use two nested loops, one for scanf and the other one just printing the data. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.